Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this this fidget spinner, which is kind of hard to make it work, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. I just have to adjust that. Okay, just hold these 2 points in the spin, and it's also a flicker. So there it goes. So I'm gonna use 6-inch commie paper. You could use 10-inch or printer paper cut square, but I like using 6-inch because the fidget spinner works for my fingers like that. Okay. But if you have bigger hands, you could use a 10-inch, or even if you have bigger hands than 10-inch people, then you could use printer paper cut square. Anyway, so first we're gonna begin white side up, and I know I have this weird paper, but yeah. So we're gonna fold in half like that, then like that. Why don't I zoom in a little? So now we're gonna, oh, too blurry. There we go. Maybe a bit in. Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna now fold this corner to here. Fold this whole edge to this whole edge. Like that. Try and make really precise folds. And crease with your fingernails. That would be helpful. Now you're gonna have this point go up there. Again, to make really precise folds. Hold on. Let me zoom in. There we go. Crease sharply. Yay. Now fold this one to that same point. Right there. Okay. Now we're gonna fold this corner to here. Like that. Let's zoom out a little. Sorry. So now we're going to turn over. Rotate. Now we're going to fold this point to here. And be careful when you're folding this. Try and make this point really sharp. Well, not really sharp, but sharp as you can. Like that. Ow. Anyway, and again, repeat on this side, fold to there, and try and make that point sharp. Okay, like that. And fold sharply. So now we're gonna fold in half. No, actually, run. So you're gonna fold this point here and this point here. So like that, and try to make that point sharper, and like that, and again try to make these 2 points sharper. Now we're going to fold in half like this, being careful of these. Now here's the fidget spinner. You're just going to tilt these up like that, but this is not the flicker. This is just bonus. But if you want the fidget spinner flicker, which is right here, what you're gonna do is have it folded in half, and fold like a paper airplane. But you can use it as a paper airplane. It just won't work as well as flicking it. So here is the fidget spinner, like that. So if it does this, then you might want to do this. So it writes itself like that. This looks kind of weird, but still. Just have to oscillate it at the right frequency, and then how to flick it. Well, if you're right-handed, you're gonna hold it right here and flick. No, if you're left-handed, you're gonna hold it right here and flick. If you're right-handed, you'll hold right here and flick. So here's, or you can flick like this and like this. So here we go. I'm left-handed, so whoa! It went all the way. It went all the way over there. And if you're right-handed, I'm not right-handed, so at least it went all the way over there. So see you at howtodoselfleaker.com, and see you next time. Bye. And if you're right-handed, I'm not right-handed, so at least it went all the way over there. Although now it was the next one that was my second was my very careful for reading the hair. Very careful for reading the color if it went. Very careful for reading the hair refill. My head is no here, without a little salt for this pattern. But still. Just have to oscillate it at the right frequency, and then how to flick it. Well, if you're right-handed, you're gonna hold it right here and flick. No, if you're left-handed, you're gonna hold it right here and flick. If you're right-handed, you'll hold right here and flick. So here's, or you can flick like this and like this. So here we go. I'm left-handed, so whoa! It went. Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this this fidget spinner, which is kind of hard to make it work, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. I just have to adjust that. Okay, just hold these 2 points and spin, and it's also a flicker. So there it goes. So I'm gonna use 6-inch kami paper. You could. Number one was my brush. But brush. Yes, her name. Her letter was my. Here's my letter. Let's zoom out a little. Sorry. So now we're going to turn over. Rotate. Now we're going to fold this point to here. And be careful, when you're folding this, try and make this point really sharp. Well, not really sharp, but sharp as you can. Like that. Ow. Anyway, and again, repeat on this side, fold to there, and try and make that point sharp. Okay, like that, and fold sharply. So now we're gonna fold in half.